All right, so this section that we're doing is filling in this gap that I need to do. So it goes from South Arm Road to Route 17. This first day we went 6.1 miles, starting at South Arm Road and camped at Bemis Stream. So come with me, let's get started. Hey guys, it is Friday, August 25th, almost 8 a.m. and I'm back on trail in Maine. And I'm with Homeslun Doogie. I'll show you them in just a second. But we're at the trailhead getting ready to start. Yesterday was the most beautiful day, and today it's raining before we even begin. It's supposed to rain pretty much all day long. So it is what it is. So I'm back, so let's go to Katahdin. Oh wait, I wanted to show you, there's Doogie, and here's Homeslun. And we are starting.
We are starting.
Woohoo! Wanted to say that I realized I didn't have my pack covered the night before we started hiking, so I had to make do and tried to work with a compactor bag and then used my poncho. It was crazy. It was not the best, but it worked ultimately. Stopping for a break, second protein bar so far. I'm trying to do better with eating this time out. Anyway, it's just crazy rain. All right, so this is a potential water source, but what it actually is it's our trail that we have to go up. We're almost to the top of Blue, we think, and we've just been walking up this little watery stream path for quite a while. Okay, but the good part is it stopped raining, so we're getting to go a little bit without any rain, so that's fantastic. When we get up there, I'll let you know. We're taking a lunch break under a tarp. Doogie put it up for us.
It's working so far so good.
It is. It's fantastic. We're completely dry under here. Excuse me. We're completely dry under here, which is awesome. Enjoyed a sandwich, just inhaled it. It didn't stand a chance at all. And now just kind of getting a little warm.
A little warm.